let's make croquis. Take one circle of 1 inch, total 9 circle, place them down. Okay, then take one line in between each, total 8 to 9 lines. Okay, now divide them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's make a line for shoulder, crotch for a better understanding. Okay, now let's them name it, which is first one is head, second half is shoulder, apex, third is waist and elbow, fourth is hips, fifth, fourth is crotch, fifth one is mid thigh, sixth one is his knee, seventh one is calf, 8 is nothing, and 9 is ankle. Okay, and now let's make a croquis. Okay, now place the head on the center of the line. The same circle will place it down as a shoulder. Then the center one is waist and the hips. Okay, once the placement is done, let's make the waist lines up to hips. Let's make the hand with both the sides hand. Okay, then the center of the legs, then a circle at the knee and circle at the ankle. Okay, now let's make a rough circle sketches around the legs and arms and hands and draw roughly the ankles. Again, now we will do the final sketching with a proper skin color. Let's make a body one side and then we will duplicate on the other side. Okay, so this is done. Let's duplicate on the other side. Now trace the face, make the eye lines. Okay, once that is done, let's color the croquis. Okay, once that is done, we will do the shading of the croquis. This is something rough as of now, but yeah, we will do shading. Once the shading is done, you will come to know the final result of the croquis. So the darker side, the lighter side. Okay, once that is done, let's give them clothes to wear. Okay, this is done. Now let's make more shadows. Okay, yes, more shadows. Let's see which one looks better. If it doesn't look, just remove them. Yeah, make the eyes now a undergarment, which is an underwear. Okay, and a blouse. Okay, and a little bit of more shading just to highlight the body area. Okay, yes, that's it. Once this is done, once you are satisfied with your shading and yes, collarbones and other soft details, then your garment